I don't want to sit here all day. Beautiful day, 80 degrees. Stopped at Lowe's. Mama wants to get our blueberries wrapped in with netting. My dad went and got me some rough cut boards today for me since I'm at work. Got strawberries along the edge. Got to put a board across to keep birds from pecking through the netting to the strawberries. Trying to take all guns out this year against it. We got a lot of berries growing this year, a lot of flowers, so it ought to be a good harvest this year versus most years. We just put them in last year. Our blueberries are coming back real good this year. We got like 12 bushes, and I would say probably 3 are not producing this year. We should have a pretty decent harvest. Don't know what we'll do with them this year, but we'll see. Buy some jam or something. Freeze them, pre-slice them, freeze them. Strawberry shortcake in the winter. So we did get out and did a little turkey hunt Saturday. We set up in the middle of a field in a hut. All the bird sounds were down in front of us. There was one off to our right very faintly. We made an audible to move down to the next field closer to the ones gobbling below. We no sooner got set up, got back in where we're sitting, I hit the call, and a bird gobbles behind us right where we were. So, needless to say, no turkey. We went back to the property we hunted the weekend before. Did get one to gobble there, but there was a big clay pigeon shoot that weekend, this last weekend. So, it was hard to hear. I heard it about 3-4 times, then he shut right up on us and disappeared. So, no turkeys for us. I'm no professional, like I said before. It is what it is, just trying to get along and find me a bird. Actually, I shouldn't say find me a bird. I'm trying to find my boy a bird to harvest. If I get one, just more for the bonus. Not that big into turkey. I'd rather be on the water fishing. Speaking of fishing, we did do a fishing derby. I have a short posted. Needless to say, fish weren't biting very well yesterday either. Did catch one sunny. That was it. So, no cigar. We struck out hard Saturday. Did get to come home Saturday night, spend time with the fam, and enjoyed a nice couple beverages alongside the fire pit. Enjoying the day. Beautiful day for joyride. This next weekend's supposed to be decent. Memorial Day weekend. Don't really have anything planned big. Our town has a small carnival, a coal festival. I can watch the fireworks from my house, so I ain't too concerned with going over. Kids like to go every year. All they have is bounce houses. Pretty old to me. I know it's tough. I'm not bashing a committee of any sort, but it's beyond my taste anymore to go to that carnival. This section down through here is always about 10 degrees cooler. Feels like I got the AC on full blast right now. Feels beautiful. Now I got me some work to do when I get home. Have to install that board. Install 4x4s in the corner, install the board, and Then we gotta get that netting put up. We buy a 100-foot roll, 7-foot wide. Fenced in area is pretty wide. I ended up putting about 2 layers across the top, wrapping the sides. It works out pretty good. A little Jimmy rig door at the end. Get a couple birds in there a year, but you can chase them out pretty easy. You have to just open up one side. They fly out eventually. Get in there and corral them one way. So the new helmet is holding up good. Didn't really give much riding in. We'll give about 4 days this week. Yeah, wait until I can ride the bike back and forth to work every day. The truck can just sit in the driveway. I'd rather pay $15 to fill this up every couple weeks versus $50 to fill a truck up every week. Seems like the gas just keeps going up.